Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to put PayPal in the App Store. So basically you cannot add directly PayPal into App Store. As you can see, if you go to App Store and then go to add a payment method, you're gonna have the option to add your credit card. So what you can do, you can simply go to your PayPal account and then go to wallet and then simply link a credit card. So click on a link a card and then you're gonna have to simply transfer the money from your PayPal balance to that specific credit card. Then simply open App Store and then click on your profile picture and then simply click to add a new payment method and then simply add that specific credit card, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.